Now that the holiday season is over, I noticed a lot of my friends and family received Google Homes as stocking stuffers and gifts. When I asked how they like them, I was surprised to find out that most of my friends and family are only using it for music, questions, weather, and kitchen timers, not realizing how many cool integrations that the Google Home really has. So I wanted to put together a video showing 12 pretty cool things you can do with Google Home that you may not realize. Play Altered Carbon from Netflix on the bedroom TV.
Sure, Altered Carbon from Netflix. Playing on bedroom TV.
Pause the bedroom TV. Resume the bedroom TV. Hey Google, stop the bedroom TV. Show me the weather on the bedroom TV.
Right now in Lamont Furnace it's 49 with rain. Today, it'll be rainy with a forecasted high of 51 and a low of 49.
Broadcast, I'm on the way home.
Got it. Broadcasting now.
Hey there, Eddie's on the way.
Remember that I hid my Apple Pencil behind the Xbox.
Okay, I'll remember that you said I hid my Apple Pencil behind the Xbox.
Where did I hide my Apple Pencil?
I remember you told me. I hid my Apple Pencil behind the Xbox.
Show the entryway camera on the bedroom TV.
Okay, streaming the entryway on bedroom TV.
Change all the lights to red.
You got it, changing 17 lights to red.
Change all the lights to magenta.
Sure, changing 17 lights to magenta.
Change all the lights to white. Help me relax.
Playing relaxation sounds.
Play 96.1 FM.
Streaming 96.1 Kiss from iHeart Radio.
Show me the trailer for Annihilation on the bedroom TV.
Okay, showing on bedroom TV. Which one would you like?
Number 2.
Okay, playing on bedroom TV.
How long is Home Depot open until tonight?
The Home Depot at 115 Matthew Drive is open until 9 p.m.
Call Mary.
Calling Mary, mobile.
Hi, honey.
Hi, hun. I was just testing something out for a video. Just wanted to call and say I love you.
Alright, love you too.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
We'll hang up. Stream 96.1 FM on the bedroom TV.
Streaming 96.1 socks from iHeart Radio on bedroom TV.
Stream 96.1 Kiss FM on the bedroom TV.
Streaming 96.1 Kiss from iHeart Radio on bedroom TV.